Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today is the big reveal of my 2026 Model S Plaid Signature Edition, number 57 of 250. If you've been following along, you've seen that we've been doing a lot of different levels of treatment and customizations to the car, and today I just want to give you one big recap of everything that we did. Starting off with protecting the beautiful garnet red, also known as signature red paint, we went ahead and applied T-Max Gloss Clear PPF on all those panels to help prevent from rock chips, road rash, and unnecessary trips to the body shop. Now, let's move into the window tint. 3M ceramic IR is the only way to go ahead and help reduce the interior temperature by up to 15 degrees on those hot summer days and give you a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays to protect your skin and your interior. Now, let's get right into the obvious, the wheels. This is a world's first. Our brand new 21-inch super wide TSW150A-CL wheels finished in gloss black. How great does this look? Showcasing the beautiful carbon ceramic brakes that's unique to this car, but more importantly, these wheels are a brand new style for us, and CL stands for center lock. Now, of course, this is not a center lock assembly, but it does give the center lock appearance. And what I love about that is that, as you can see, you don't see any of the mounting hardware. It's a very clean, very sporty look. High performance supercars typically will have a true center lock fitment. Tesla has never done that, but we wanted to give that appearance, and I love this touch. Signature wheels, brand new style. Now, what makes the overall appearance look even better with these super wide wheels is the fact that we installed our lowering links. And these links perfect the ride height. There's no rubbing concerns. And when you're in very low mode, look how cool this looks. Now, because this is a Plaid, it did come with a matte carbon fiber trunk wing spoiler from Tesla. For me, it's just a little bit too mild. I love our gloss carbon fiber version. It is available in matte also, but I thought gloss is the way to go because everything is gloss on this car. So we installed our trunk wing spoiler. When we were all done with all of this, we took it one step further. We wanted to go ahead and protect it all by applying T-Max ceramic coatings to the PPF, to the glass, to the wheels, to the brake calipers, and to the beautiful full interior, which is so unique in the Model S Plaid Signature Edition. Thank you all for watching. If you love our content, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.